pleased to be among the first practices in the country to offer Fraxel laser treatment, a breakthrough approach to achieving younger-looking, healthier skin. Perhaps the best way to understand how it works is to think of pixels in a digital photograph of your skin. With each treatment, the Fraxel laser helps to repair 12 to 20% of the aging, brown, or sun-damaged spots. Unlike other procedures that peel off layers of the skin, the Fraxel laser delivers about 1 million microscopic points of treatment, with each spot being surrounded by healthy tissue. This allows healing to progress very quickly. The FDA-cleared Fraxel laser, developed by Reliant Technologies, addresses many elements of sun damage. Each treatment helps to improve skin tone and texture, tighten the skin to eliminate fine lines around the eyes, as well as remove unsightly brown spots. One of the reasons Fraxel laser treatment is so effective and safe is the use of blue-tinted food dye applied to the skin. This assures that only the blue-colored areas are treated. Fraxel laser treatment is safe and effective, and performing it right here in our office using a topical anesthetic makes it easy and comfortable for you. Immediately after the procedure, you'll feel as though you have a mild sunburn for about an hour, and then no discomfort after that. Here's what patients say about how it feels.
The worst part was the goop that you get on your face because it's a lot of layers. But if that was as bad as it wasn't bad at all. I was prepared for much more discomfort, much more pain. And to me, it felt like, when my daughter is playfully pinching me or something. It wasn't uncomfortable at all.
It wasn't that painful. It worked fine. It didn't take very long.
There was a little bit of a sensation of a stinging, or I could feel a little bit, but to me it was not real unpleasant at all. I mean, it was very tolerable.
Once he's finished, the pain's gone. You have some redness. It feels more like a sunburn. And then that subsided overnight.
Most patients return to normal activities following the procedure or the next day. Women can apply makeup and men can shave. Following treatment, you'll have minor puffiness for 24 to 36 hours. You'll also be slightly red for several days, much like a windburn. Patients note improvement after every session. You may find friends and family commenting on how youthful you look. What's more, this improvement continues over weeks and months as your body continues to produce new collagen in the treated areas. Here's what patients are saying about the ease and effectiveness of Fraxel laser treatment.
What this treatment did for me was to totally even out and clarify my skin tone, tighten the pores, and give me an even palette on which to put the lipstick, the cheeks, and the mascara. No more rough edges, smaller pores, no more photo damage, no need for foundation. Like I said, I hate foundation makeup. It works, and it gives you a new lease on life. The only thing that would be a problem for me is now I want to do other things. It's given me about 15 years off, as far as I'm concerned.
It had a lot more brown spots. It had wrinkles, and I think it improved a lot. I think it looks a lot better than what it was before, and it got better than when it first finished, so I'm very happy with that.
You get to the point where you're turning 60 years old, you want to maintain some of that youthful appearance that you always think you're younger than you really are. Clarity, I mean, you don't have the browns, as many of the brown spots as I used to have. The texture of the skin is much softer. I always tell people to touch my forehead, because it's kind of unusual when it is so soft, And I have a very hectic schedule that I lead, and so for me to take and have a treatment of any sort that's going to result in me having a downtime of 2 or 3 days, let alone 2 or 3 weeks, is just not in the cards.
I've seen, well, first of all, I think my face is getting younger, which is a great thing to see. It's tighter. My skin tone is much tighter. I feel like it's a little fuller somehow, like I got that 5 pounds that I actually don't have. It has really helped in the overall brightness of my complexion.
The big benefit when I do put makeup on, I'm not trying to cover up anything. I'm just putting on a nice, soft, small amount of makeup, put some lips on, walk out the door, and I look great. I think I look great. My friends think I look great.
Fraxel laser treatment can give you the fresh, healthy skin of your youth. Ask our staff if it's right for you.